Hi everyone, I'm Bagadon at Stock Market Caddy. Today is November 15th, Sunday at 7:30 and the markets are open. We hope you had a wonderful weekend and we hope you're looking forward to getting started in what hopes and promises to be, like every week, a great trading week. I'm asked a lot of questions by a lot of different people. One of the questions is, "Hey Bagger, how can you trade these markets? These markets are rigged. They're manipulated. It's crooked. Like the elections." No argument. It is. It's a rigged game. And the elections rigged too. Let's face it, folks. JFK, he didn't carry Chicago if the dead people didn't vote. He would not have carried Texas if LBJ hadn't put his machine into power. They cheat. The markets, they're no better. No better at all. The media around the elections, do they lie? I'll leave that to you. The financial media, do they lie? Have you been relying on Neil Cavuto? Neil Cavuto said back a month or two ago when the markets were selling off, it's not a loss unless you sell it. Oh, okay. Here's a guy who's been around the markets for 30 or 35 years. If you want to listen and watch financial news media, have at it. If you want to read the Wall Street Journal, Forbes, and be one of the wizards of smart, the New Economist, you want to do that, the IBD, have at it. Have at it. Let me know how that works out for you. And if you think you can open up one of these toy accounts at one of these brokerage houses, not trades, I'm not including TradeStation in that. Trust me, I am not. But some of these other toys where they have plug in a MACD, plug in a moving average, plug this in, plug that in, and you think you're going to be a professional trader, let me know how that works out for you. Folks, you're watching Swing Machine. Swing Machine is just one tool that we have created not a year ago, not 5 years ago, not 10 years ago, more than now 15 years ago. It is an artificially intelligent price tracking device. That's what it does. And it makes decisions on the fly. It changes. It's calculus. It's an algorithm. Ooh, that's kind of an interesting word. Not to bring those elections back up again. We're changing on the fly. There were some algorithms changing on the fly in that, weren't there? Well, we won't digress. It isn't about any one trade for us. It isn't about any one good trading day. It isn't about one good trading week. I will hear from people and they'll say, I'm getting really, really close. If I could just do this and I could just do that. The likelihood that they're anywhere as close, I don't want to be the ones to bust their bubble, is somewhere between slim and none, and slim just left town. Not a chance. They see the trading business as just a trade. It's a business. You've got to learn to trade as a business. And that's what we do for our members. So when you get tired of swinging shares around, options around, ETFs around, or God knows futures contracts around, and you get tired of chasing the MACD and the stochastics and the ADX and the Arun and God knows what else, plugging this in and plugging that in, and going no place fast, then feel free to give us a shout. If you had taken a 5-minute trade off of Swing Machine back on the 13th, yes, Friday the 13th at 11:45, you'd be up $2,100. The 13th at 2:30, 3,000. 11:10 on the 13th, almost 2,000. You do the math. 140 on Friday, 1,200 bucks. And we were actually up even higher earlier this evening. I'm Bagadon at Stock Market Caddy. We don't spam anybody. I don't call anybody. We don't advertise. Nope. We only want real, serious, interested people. So feel free to give me a call, 813-758-8263, if this is something that you have a passion for and you want to approach it as a business.